Hello, I am Dr. Thomas Wilson, and it is my pleasure to invite you to join us for the 2024 edition of the Progressus AgriSchool Certificate in Aqua Nutrition. I have been the lead instructor since the beginning in 2015, and I think this year's 4-day program is the most informative ever. This year we have a total of 24 separate topics with a couple of group workshops. We also have a session where you can become familiar with some of the latest feed formulation software, with exercises formulating fish feed and shrimp feed. Our goal is to bring you the most up-to-date information about aquaculture nutrition and feeds and present it in an unbiased, unaffiliated way in a relaxed classroom atmosphere. We always have a university professor to do the core lectures on nutrition, and this year we have the pleasure of Dr. Chudama Tantikiti, a professor from Prince of Songkla University in southern Thailand. To fill out our team of presenters, we also have Dr. Dharani Segwin, who worked for many years with a shrimp feed company in Thailand, and for a few years has operated her own shrimp farm. We are relying on her experience to give you relevant and practical information about shrimp nutrition and feeds. Everyone, no matter their work or relationship to the aquaculture feed industry, can come to learn something new or refresh their existing knowledge from our team of experts. I invite you to join us in Bangkok in July for this new and exciting program.